Alrighty, Tube U. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video we'll be throwing on these here side marker lights. And I already got the tire off. Just gonna pull these fasteners out, probably just these two right here. Boom and boom. Should give me enough room to get back there. They said it's a pain in the ass, but with the tire out of the way, we should be alright. I think the front one's gonna be a real pain in the ass, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those up, and I'll show you guys what we need to do from there. Alrighty, so I already got those. So I ended up taking 3 out. So it's this bottom one, these 2 right here. Makes it just a smidge easier. And we're gonna need the T25 Torx bit. I thought it was an Allen wrench. I was like, I don't have any Allen bits for that. So if I end up having the right Torx bit for it. So T25, and I had to use a step down because I don't have a small enough one. And you probably have, if you have a smaller wrench, that probably would be easier because it is kind of hard getting this big ass head in there. Pause. But if you have a smaller, like, you know, ratchet or whatever, that'll probably be the better move for that right there. But I already threw this up there, so I was going to use it. Now I never get to use my little, the few power tools that I do have. So I already pulled the first one out, and I'm just about to pull the second one out here. But it does seem to be easier if you unplug it after because it comes out. So you should be able to unplug it. And it should be easier. So, unplug and out. There you go. I'm just gonna grab the rear right. Here we go. I'll leave the plastic up there just in case I mess something up. Just plug it in. Probably gonna do a light check before. There we go. All right, now. Boom, we are good to go. So pretty simple. So I probably won't show you guys what to do on the second side. I'll probably just do the right side and let you guys see the after product because there's plenty of how-to videos on how to do this, but pretty simple. I ain't gonna lie to you. Way easier when you got the tools to do the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these 2 screws back here. I actually don't think I pulled the second one out. Nope, still in there. So I'm gonna pop these 2 screws back in there real quick, and then we'll hop to the other side, do the other side, and then I'll pick back up with you guys when I begin to do the front. So you can see, they work, and it looks good. I like it. So go ahead and turn off, pick up with you guys, and move to the front. Alrighty, so now we're done with both of the rears, and it makes life so much easier if you take the rear tire off. And as you can see, since I already took the rear tire off, I figured that would be a great time to swap out the lug nuts as well. These are like 20 bucks for the black ones. It was like 20 bucks or something like that off eBay. My only problem is they arrived in like a bag, so they're just clanging together in a bag, but they don't seem to be too messed up. Actually, it seems like I'm doing more damage while trying to put them on the damn tires, so yeah, oh well. Looks way cleaner than this does. Now, how long this finish will last, because it were only 20 bucks, I don't know, but for the time being, it's a clean, all black look, and it's gonna tie in real good with the next big mod we got coming. You guys are gonna like it. But anyway, let's move on to the front. Alrighty, so this one looks like it should be easier. I think a lot of people say that the front ones are way easier than the back ones, so I'm gonna start by using our little tool here. Pop out these fasteners. It's gonna be, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the same thing in the back. Just 2 Torx bits, one there and one up top. There it is. Sorry, I can't. It's hard to get it with the sunlight. There you go. One here and one there. So we'll pull those out first, and then we'll unhook it same way we did in the rear, because it's so much easier to unhook it once it's outside of the light housing. Let's go ahead and pull it out right now. going slow. I want to be careful not to strip anything. There you go. Pops right out. Alright. So now that it's out, as you can see, you got this little tab right there. Pull it up. And it pops right off. There you go. Boom. So you want to grab our left side right here. Grab a little light. Plug it up. Should pop right in. Boom. Here's a nice little click. And before you screw it all the way back in, you should do a light check. Already checked the back too. We're gonna do the same for the front. Boom. We're good to go. Alrighty, so now that the garage is closed and you can see what it kind of look like in the dark, I forget that the headlights are going to be as bright as they are, but you can get a good idea of what these look like at nighttime rolling down the street, and it looks pretty damn good. Not gonna lie to you, man. Backs are pretty bright, fronts are pretty bright, both sides they look damn good. Pretty easy installation. About a 2 out of 10 on difficulty scale, maybe even less than that. However, if you're planning on leaving the tires on and you're not trying to take them off, or if you can't take them off and you're trying to do this little side marker mod, might be like a 4 out of 10 on a difficulty scale, just because there isn't much space to work on in the back of, especially on this back side. In the front, you can get away with it because you can just crank the wheel to the left or the right, and you'll give yourself a little more space to get those front markers in and out. But on the back ones, kind of can't turn the wheel left or right. So my recommendation, just take the wheel off if you can, because it's going to make life so much easier. You're going to have so much more space. But that's just me. That's what I would do. That's what I did. And it was a way easier install than it would be if I tried to leave them up there. My only issue, as you guys saw me struggling with this one before, is this front one up here on the left. So for some reason, this front left one, that top screw for this one, each light has only 2 screws. So the top screw on this one here just would not seat all the way. And I thought I stripped it or something, but I didn't do anything wrong. So I compared the hole to this one, to that one over there, and the top screw in here, the top hole for this one, isn't drilled out to the correct depth that it's supposed to be. So the screw doesn't go in all the way. It goes in and it stays in, because I tried to pull it out with my hand. I just tried to pull the screw out, just straight out without unscrewing it. And it's in there. Like you can see when I go to pull on it, like it's in there, but it's not giving a positive lock. Like it wobbles a little more than that one over there. Like all of the rest of them, they're in there snug, how they're supposed to be, and this one got a little bit of a wobble to it. And maybe if we're out here doing high-speed shenanigans, that probably won't be such a good thing, but it seems like it's in there. But I'm not a fan of, should be, so I'm gonna reach out to the damn manufacturer or the seller and try to get the seller to send me another left-hand one, because I thought it was a me issue, but it's definitely a manufacturer defect. So hopefully the seller can make it right and send me another left-hand marker. Pretty simple, so I'll just pop that one out, pop in a new one if they send me a new one. I hope they do. Other than that, just that one screw, it was a pretty straightforward, pretty simple job. And if you guys are interested in it, I'll put the link for the lights down in the description. I'm pretty sure I just bought these right off of Amazon. Pretty easy mod. I bought these for my last Hellcat. I just never got around to putting them in, but glad I did it this time around, because it's a pretty clean look, and I think it's gonna look damn good when we're out here rolling down the street at nighttime, especially with the next mod that's coming to the channel. You guys I hope you guys like it anyway. I hope you guys like it, because I'm pretty excited to get it done. I've never had it done before, but pretty excited about this next mod, and I think these lights are gonna go perfect. Also the lug nuts, the lights, everything that I got going on so far is gonna go perfect with the next mod that's coming to the channel. And I hope you guys like it, man. I really do. I'm pretty excited about it. Happens at the end of this month, so just waiting for the date. Anyway, that is it. That is all. It's your first time stop by, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you guys get notifications when these videos go up. So go to the Instagram channel, Low376Slow, same exact thing as the YouTube channel. I'll put it down in the description, and I'll put the link for the lights down in the description as well if you're thinking about buying them. So that's it. Yeah. Until next time, Tube U, I'm out.